How to fix slow Ethernet speed in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Network drivers enable your computer to interact with the network. Outdated drivers may not work optimally with the current software, leading to slow Ethernet speed. Updating them can resolve compatibility issues and improve speed. Improper network settings can limit your Ethernet speed. Tweaking these settings can maximize your bandwidth usage. Scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, then click Properties. Set both IP address and DNS server to obtain automatically. Click OK to save the changes. Fix 3. Check for hardware issues. Faulty Ethernet cables or ports can slow down your connection. Checking for hardware issues can help identify and correct physical problems. Sometimes your internet service provider's DNS servers may be slow or overloaded. Using Google's public DNS might speed up your connection. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option and set your DNS to Google's preferred DNS server, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4. Click OK.